Oh, came off. Dadgummit. Bang. That was a little bit better fish too. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's about the most simple form of fishing in this little pond. Got me a little mini Zebco 33 and some giant red worms, and we're gonna see what kind of brim we can catch. I did bring my bass stuff, so if this doesn't work out, I'm gonna chunk a little bit and see what I can catch. And we've got two other ponds I think we're gonna try today, so stick around, hit that like and subscribe button, and I appreciate it. Hung on the dock. Now be when a fish hits it. That's how it always happens. Well, guys, today's fishing adventure. There's a little water duck, water bird, guinea fowl. I don't know what you guys call them, but this isn't getting any better. This pond is completely mossed over, as you can tell, since the last time I've been here. Probably won't be doing any fishing in here today. Yep, no fishing. Tell by that. We got one more spot at the river I can go check, and hopefully we'll be able to fish there. If not, there's one more little pond we might be able to get to, but I doubt it. It's probably dried up. So dang, I hate that. I was hoping I'd be able to fish a little bit here, but can't do it. On to the next spot. Got one. Got him on the rattle trout. Finally. Uh-oh, easy now, easy. See if I can do this without getting a hook in me. Heck yeah, finally. Been out here for like 2 hours. And he hit it in the middle of the pond, not close to the edge, so I wonder if it's so hot. Wonder if the water's so hot. Nice little bass. About the size of the ones I caught last week. But there he is. On the blue and silver rattle trout. Heck yeah. Let him go back and we'll see if we can find another one. There he is. Got another one on the rattle trapper again. Fish. Oh. Fish on right here. Oh, well, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up today. It's getting hot. Wind has shifted and it's blown all the algae off the bank over here into the middle of the pond where I was catching the fish at. 1 for 3 on the blue and silver rattle trout, ½ ounce. I'll link it below. But using this old Abu Garcia bait caster, and I think this is like a Walmart. It's probably an Academy rod, to be honest. Just a cheap one, whatever I could find, put on this. Had it for years, but like I said, 1 for 3 on bass. Did not get a single brim or shellcracker bite on a worm that I know of. So thanks for watching, guys.